Subject Maths Standard Second. Hello everyone, I am Nilofer. Today we will learn a new lesson. But before I start my lesson, I ask you some questions. First, observe these two fruits. Which fruit is a yellow one? Very good. Mango. Now tell me, which one is a red one? Very good. Strawberries. How many mangoes are there? Very good. Two mangoes are there. Count the strawberries and tell me how many you counted. Okay, one, two, three, four. Yes, very good. Four strawberries are there. Now tell me which is the more. Yes, strawberries are more than mangoes. Very good. So, today we will learn. Let's compare numbers. Before I start the explanation, first try introduction with the help of numbers. Wow! You see this which picture is there? Yes, very good. Train. Okay, now count the number first forward counting, then backward counting. Okay, let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is a forward counting. Now backward counting. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You know that these numbers forward counting and backward counting. Okay, now next. See here, all of you, here 0 to 10 numbers, and below the numbers of the shapes increase in a forward counting. Increase in a forward counting. Smaller to greater. Smaller to greater. Yeah, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Below side, all the shapes also increasing. What do you mean by number greater than? Here, 1 is greater than 0. 2 is greater than 1. 3 is greater than 2, 1 and 0. 4 is greater than 3, 2, 1, 0. 5 is greater than 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. 6 is greater than 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. 7 is greater than 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. 8 is greater than 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. 9 is greater than 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. 10 is greater than 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Now, you all of you understood greater number is one number increase. One number is add. Okay. See downside one star is there. The one number is there. Then downside one star. Two number is there. Then here two triangle. Means here one star. Then greater two. Then here increase the shapes. Downside all of its shapes are there. 3. Then here 3 rectangle is there. Understood? Like that all the number and all the shapes are increases. Means greater than. Look, there are 3 horses and there is 1 dog. Are there more horses or more dogs? There are more horses than dog. Means the number 3 is greater than number 1. Here 4 fish. How many fish? 4 fish. Here 5 balloons. 5 balloons. Then see which number is greater than. Okay, 4 or 5. 5 is a greater than 4 because here one number is increase. Then number 5 is greater than number 4. There are 5 beads and below there are 7 beads. Now tell me which number is greater than? Yes. Now see, number 7 is greater than number 5 because two numbers are increase. Wow, very nice pictures. Now all of you see these both the pictures and tell me how many bluebirds?
8 birds.
Very good. There are 8 bluebirds. And how many colorful birds?
6 colorful birds.
Very good. There are 8 bluebirds and 6 colorful birds. So 8 is greater than 6. See downside number 8 is greater than number 6. Next, here backward counting, the shapes become less inner numbers, like that greater to smaller number, greater to smaller number. Below side, same shapes also there. Here 10, then below side 10 shapes are there. Then one number is less. 9 shapes are there. Like that, same. That means greater to smaller numbers. What do you mean by number smaller than? Here 0 is smaller than 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1 is smaller than 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 2 is smaller than 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 3 is smaller than 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 4 is smaller than 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 5 is smaller than 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 6 is smaller than 7, 8, 9, 10. 7 is smaller than 8, 9, 10. 8 is smaller than 9 and 10. 9 is smaller than 10. Which side is less? Let us understand. Backward counting, number value decrease. 1 is less than the 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 numbers. All of you understood? Here, 4 sheep. 1, 2, 3, 4. And another picture here, 3 hen. 1, 2, 3. Then which slide is lesser? This or this? Let's see. Here 4 sheep. 1, 2, 3, 4. And here 3 hen. 1, 2, 3. Means 3 number is lesser than number 4. The number of sheep are lesser means number 3 is less than number 4. Wow, very nice flowers. Now tell me, how many flowers are there?
6 flowers are there.
Yes, very good. Here 6 flowers. And wow, butterfly. How many butterflies are there?
2 butterflies are there.
Yes, very good. There are 6 flowers and this side 2 butterflies. Then which side is lesser? Now see, number 2 is smaller than number 6. Number 2 is smaller than number 6. Means the butterfly is lesser than the flowers. Wow, cat. So many cats are there. Just count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here 6 cats. And here 1 cat. Here 6 cats. And here 1 cat. Then which side is lesser? this or this. Here one cat means one number is lesser than 6 number. Number 1 is smaller than number 6. Now let us understand how to show comparison of numbers with the help of more examples. All of you see this question. Okay, just I read. All of you listen carefully. Circle the smaller numbers. Means which is a smaller number? You have to circle it. First question is 7 and 2. Which is a smaller?
2.
Okay, which number we have to circle?
2.
Very good. 2 is a smaller number. Very good. Now next question is 1 and 6. Which is a smaller number here?
1.
Okay, 1. Then we have to circle the 1 number. Now third and last 4 and 8. Which is a smaller number?
4.
Very good. My students are very active. Keep it up. 4 means circle the smaller number. Here 7 and 2. 2 is a smaller than 1. 1 is a smaller number and last 4 is a smaller number. All of you understood?
Yes.
Very good. Underline the greater number. Okay, tell me 9 is here and 3 is here. Which is a greater number? Yes, very good. 9 is a greater number. Now next example is 5 or 10. Which is a greater number? Yes, very good. 10 is a greater number. Now next one is 0 and 1. Which is a greater number? Yes, of course 1. 1 is a greater number. Very good. All of you knowing about the greater and smaller number. This is a comparison of the number. Now all of you understood? Very good. Now activity time. Draw same picture in your maths notebook and color it. This is a smaller to greater numbers. Okay. Now next one is homework. Write the greater to smaller number with the help of objects. Okay, greater to smaller number. First one number is I explain here. Example is given 10. Then you have to draw a 10 marbles. Understood? Like that 10 to 0 you have to write down the numbers and draw the objects in your maths notebook. Thank you.